I just got my boy a 12-inch bicycle, tricycle. I don't even know what they call it. Yeah, so the last one I got for him was a little too small for his size. So I went and bought this one. This is from Beige. I just unboxed it and I want to install it. So you guys should install it with me. There is no manual for installing this. I did not see any manual in the box. So we are trying to figure it out with some tutorials. Even with the tutorials, they are not helping much. So we just have to figure it out on our own and see how we can do this. So come along with us. Let's do it together.
You got me hooked on you once again.
So first we're going to try and put the training wheel, for kids so that they will not fall. Whether they call it training wheels or so. So this one, we're going to install it first. I just hope you are getting it. If I do it and don't get it, then my husband will come and help. Let's try and see. And then the other side of it, I will need something to tighten it, of course. Of course, I will tighten it.
So the next step.
So these ones are in. Then the next is to put, I think this is the brake or so. Like I said, there is no manual to this, so I'm just assuming things. So I think this is the brake wire or so. So the next is to put the front tire. Let me see.
If you're supposed to put it back, I usually put it back. Then you put these things. I think when you put it, then you do these things.
Let's secure one side first and then.
Okay. Now
The next thing is to put the front tire and then we are tightening it.
no. I'm not seeing. The phone. The guy removes all the phones around.
We'll remove it in due time. I don't want to remove it until we are done fixing it, installing it, to be sure that if it's okay. In case we need to return it. The next part is here. The brake, or the brake holder. And then we tighten it. So it's supposed to, when you press the handle, it will hold the brake to hold the tires. And the next is the handle. It should be like this. This is the tricky part. You have to hold this nut here up and adjust here. This metal part and this, I don't even know what to call it. And then you put it and tighten it. You okay?
Not over here. This is not what is holding it. Of course it's gonna work. What is this? Okay.
Yeah, you can raise it or you can keep it down.
Okay.
I don't think there's any need raising it up.
There's no need.
Tightening the seat.
Why would they do this so hard?
No cushion.
Oh,
Yeah. It's like that. Alive, leave there.
pedal.
Oh yeah, the pedals.
So this, which goes where?
I think it goes anywhere. Anyone can go anywhere.
Where are the? Are you sure anyone can go anywhere?
Yeah, on the videos.
So, I like leave it on. There's nothing here.
Two here. It should be yeah. Two here.
This should be used to, you know.
You have to go to the other side.
Let's see.
Bigger size.
Don't worry. Keep it there, like.
Keep that aside.
I'm not sure that is the way it goes now. Let's try this way. Yeah. I know it's supposed to be this way. Do you know why? Do you know why they are twisting it anti-clockwise rather than clockwise?
So that we move it clockwise.
This one is closer.
Mediterranean.
This is so I need something to. And I stop throwing things.
That's accurate throw.
Then how does that enter? And there's no space here for you to go through. So it's still the same thing. You have to lose it from here too. Then I that right here too. There. See how? It comes out. Oh yeah, start the back. Do this one now.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, leave it. Don't worry about it. See. Yeah, the way it came now. Voilà. Out there. This thing is not stable. We need to stabilize it. I need a link here.
What of the other one? It was also moving just now.
We will fix it.
That one will play hold too.
Adam got on under the washer.
I don't tell you no like that.
That's what I'm trying to say. Can you hold the washer out for me? Lay out the time now. Just hold the washer. I'm not seeing it now. Hold on. Okay, have a good day. Back, on down. Bring the seed them. Yeah, okay.
Can you not remove it first, TEMU, and then put it back?
Yeah.
Okay, the wash.
Have it, yeah.
The show on the there, not the whole do the break. Just like the other one just now.
Oh, about them. Oh, about you know. There's not that place.
So I agree again with this one.
There's not that place I can. Man,
Look, I'm not laughing. I'm laughing. No.
I didn't have enough.
So it means you need to tighten it. Okay.
Why this is support?
Supporting.
Another thing that you have to do now is this one. It's not tightened properly. You need to see, it's wobbling.
You sure?
Not with carbon. Yeah, I know. Because okay, let's go this way. And this cannot be for here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's longer. If you are to go for this, then you're gonna have remainder here. That one, tighten that. This one goes like this.
So like that.
While this one stays here. See? Won't tie that yet.
And to get in.
Let's. I think I made a mistake.
Hold on. Alive for ya, go. Go. Go.
Let only are two backwards. See,
Can I no backward?
that's